What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another venture with the Bearded Bobber. And today we're on our first 2020 Indian, and we took out the Chieftain Limited in this beautiful blue. You know, it's got all the chrome, but it's got this 116, which is now standard on the Bagger series. Well, that's out right now. But I gotta say, I've barely been on this, and I'm in standard. This bike is so smooth. The 111, I only got to ride in the 116 or in the stage 2 111. Now there is a difference, you guys. The 116 before was a big bore kit. Now this is a standard size motor, and they changed a bunch of things to do with the heads, and just made it overall a better motor. But it's super smooth. I'm hoping to get it here into sport in a minute, but just going onto the freeway from Indian Redlands was fantastic. I'm in 5th gear, cruising at 65 miles an hour, and it feels like nothing. Biggest complaint right now for me is the windshield needs to be a little bit bigger, but that's always, you know, a person-to-person preference. Hoping to ride the stage 2, which is behind me right here, and it's got the Clockwork windshield. I'm super excited. I really wanted to feel out this new motor, see how it was, because as you guys know, I'm researching for myself to get a bagger, you know, and I'm looking at different bikes all across the board. It's got a very smooth downshift. Everything feels great. I'm super excited. I've always liked the other bikes, but there's just definitely something different about this motor. Well done, keeping the Thunderstroke alive. Ooh. Right there, you know, I'm in 1st gear at 3,000 RPMs, and it's just smooth. Come on, guys. I gotta say, this 116 is a huge improvement, and I see why they're going to that as standard. Very smart on their part. Let's see if we can get let's get this bitch in sport. Oh, too soon. Oh, it's definitely, but it's nice. It's not terrible. Definitely doesn't grab like the big bore kit did, but it's not supposed to. This is not as powerful as the big bore kit. The stage 2 behind me is supposed to be a little bit more powerful. Oh my god, that feels fantastic. Woo-hoo-hoo! Dig in. Ooh, man, and it doesn't feel terrible at 5,000 RPMs either. Getting close to that top line. Damn, man. Ooh. I don't know. That new Challenger is gonna have to put up some work, man, to feel it over this 116. God, it's so smooth on the slowdown too. Well, guys, I'll throw the stats up on there right now, but to give my final, you know, quick ride review is, holy shit, man. It rides a lot better than a 111 standard. The 111 is great, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it's bad, but this ride's fantastic. It rides smooth, like super smooth. Overall, man, it just feels really good. I don't know if they lowered this bike, but it feels a little bit lower. It feels really good though. Just digs right in. Super smooth. 3rd gear, winding through this beautiful little part of Redlands here. Just look at that. Digging in. you would not know this bike weighed over 800 pounds. Damn it, man. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna get out of here, enjoy this bike, and hopefully get on another one. So, like always, stay safe, stay classy. Oh, let's do the stereo test here for this bagger 2020.
This afternoon, so plan accordingly.
Well, there's that. All right, you guys. Later.